Hi, in today's video, we're going to learn about how you can actually make money easily with arbitrage trading. So if you don't know what arbitrage trading is actually an investment strategy in which an investor simultaneously buys and sells an asset in different markets to make advantage of a price difference and generate a profit. Okay, but in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way you can actually make guaranteed profit with arbitrage trading. But in this case, the arbitrage trading we're going to do is we're going to be buying cryptocurrencies and selling cryptocurrencies. So all this is all possible with a website called Neswap. Okay, so Neswap is actually an arbitrage trading platform where you actually buy cryptocurrencies at lower prices and trading it on other exchange platforms at higher amounts, thereby accumulating your profits. So let's check out Neswap, how it works and everything else you need to know. Okay, so this is Neswap website. So to get started, all you need to do is click the link in the description, and once you do that, it will be redirected to this website, and in a few minutes from now I'll show you everything you need to know. So when it comes to Neswap has got three products, which is the manual trading being the first. This is where you actually choose a currency, analyze the price, and trade cryptocurrencies yourself. So this is good if you're a pro, but if you want to save yourself time and if you're a beginner, this is the best, the auto trading. This is where you actually rely on their AI solutions and allow them to trade and it generates profit for you. Okay, so soon I'll show you how much money you can actually make when choose auto trading. So here is how the arbitrage trading works on this platform. So the first step is that you as the client create an order. You select a currency, okay, a currency pair and a suitable interest rate. Don't worry, I'll show you everything. Okay, and the second step is actually where the system receives the order and matches the exchange with the right price. And this third step is where you actually send BTC to exchange 1, exchange BTC into USDT, which is a stable currency, and withdraw USDT from exchange 1. Then the step 4, this is where you actually the USDT sent to exchange 1, converted to USDT and to BTC. Then from there you withdraw BTC from the exchange 2 and send it to the system. And step 5, this is where system allocates commission to brokers. And step 6, the allocation of commissions to referrals on platforms. And finally, settlement orders. So the first thing you need to do is simply click on sign up over here. So you'll be requested to enter your email address, your password, and you need to confirm the password again. Then once you're done with entering your email address and the username, remember the username does not need to have space. Then click on the send captcha. When you click on send captcha, you're going to receive an email with a code, and that code you need to paste it here. And once you're done, you click on sign up. So as for me, I already have an account, so I'm not going to create another account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply log in into my account by clicking over here. Okay, so I'm done entering my login details and click on sign in. Okay, so I secured my account with two-factor authentication. So let me just do that. Let me just enter the two-factor authentication code. So don't worry about this. I'll show you how you can actually secure your account as well. And so this is how the dashboard looks like. So if you can see, today in these recent transactions, I received a 3.4 USDT for free. Okay, once you create an account, you'll be able to get about 3 to 5 USDT for free. So to get this USDT for free, all you need to do is simply click on trading. When you click on trading, simply choose the USDT TRX USDT order book, which is over here. Okay, so once you choose this order book over here, simply scroll down, and what you need to do because when you first create an account, you're going to have nothing into your account, so simply enter 0 over here, and you'll be able to see that you'll be able to earn over about 0.3 to 0.7%. okay, then what you need to do is simply click on create order. So as for me, I already did this and I have already received the free 3.5 USDT. So I am not going to do this and it will not work. But for you, once you create an account, you'll be able to work and you'll be able to get the USDT. So this is the first step you need to do for you to receive the free USDT. Okay, the other thing you need to do is securing your account, which I talked about. So if you'd like to secure your account, click on this settings icon. Then on your right top bar, you're going to see what's written two-factor authentication. So as for me, I've already secured my account. No wonder you're not able to see the QR code over here, but as for you, you'll be able to see it. And what you need to do is simply search for the authenticator app on Google Play Store, install it, and to be able to scan the code and authenticate it. Okay, and remember to back up the code. So that is how you actually secure your account. Okay, so before you continue, let's talk about actually how much money you can expect to make from this platform. So go back to trading. Okay, once you do that, what you need to do is simply click on the auto mode. So on the auto mode, this is where now you'll be able to see how much you can actually make from this platform. So these are the plans. So for example, the first plan is the beginner, which is the bonus plan over here. So it runs for 10 days. Okay, so you earn of about 7% in 7 days. The second plan you earn 22.5%. Okay, remember these are estimates, so it's possible you might earn a little bit less or a little bit more. Okay, and the 45 days you earn 35.25%. The 60 days you earn 48.75%. The 90 days 74.25. 120 days you earn double. Okay, 180 days you earn 152%, and the final, the 240 days you actually earn 206%. So this is very good. Like there's no way where you can actually make this type of money, like earning 7% in 10 days. Okay, because when you compare this to banks where you earn like 2% in a year, but you earn actually 7% in 10 days, which is very good. So the auto mode is actually the best. Okay, it's actually the best because you get to it's great to trade for you on your behalf and you get to make a lot of money. Okay, and for the plans, this is where we'll be able to see the plans. As for now, only the beginner, which is the free one, is available. So now that you've learned how actually money is made, how the trading is done, okay, so I encourage you to go with auto trading. But for you to go with auto trading, of course, you need some money to make more money. So what you need to do is simply click on wallet. When you click on wallet, simply choose your preferred coin to deposit. So you can deposit TRX, you can deposit ETH, you can deposit BNB, you can deposit USDT. Remember, USDT has got 3 networks. There's the ERC20, BEP20, and TRC20. Please make sure that whenever you're sending USDT, make sure that the network is correct. Okay, so in this case, if you'd like to deposit using Ethereum, okay, you click on account recharge. Then you enter the amount you'd like to recharge and click on top up. Then what you need to do is you can actually scan this QR code using your wallet you have on your phone, scan to pay, or copy this address and go to your wallet where you've got Ethereum and send from there. Okay, and it will work. So once you deposit, okay, give it some time, your money will deposited will reflect depending on what coin you are using. Then if you'd like to withdraw, if you'd like to withdraw, you simply click on any of the withdraw buttons where there are coins. So in this case, I would like to withdraw this USDT, which is here. So I think I'll withdraw like 40 USDT. So to withdraw, let me click on withdraw. Okay, then I need to enter the payment address and the Google verification code. So let me just copy my USDT receiving address. So as you can see, currently in my USDT wallet, so I'm going to try and withdraw some USDT from this platform. So to do that, I'm going to click on the withdraw button over here. Then I need to paste in, okay, then I'm going to paste in my wallet address. Then I need to enter the Google verification, the Google authenticator code. Then I'm going to enter the amount I would like to withdraw. So let me enter $40. Okay, then I'm going to click on withdraw. So the withdraw cash is successful. So let me just wait for the USDT to appear in my wallet. So by the way, I use Trust Wallet to my phone. So while we are waiting for the USDT to reflect in my wallet, let me talk about the other important part you can actually use to make some extra money. So what you need to do is click on the recommendation. So on the recommendations, this is where you can actually refer this arbitrage platform to your friends or anyone and earn some commission. So what commissions can you earn from referring people? So the first commission is in the first level you get 10% commission. The second level you get 3%, and the third level you actually get 2% commission. So to do that, simply click on the copy your referral link and share it with other people who are interested. Okay, so finally the money, after a few minutes, it has reflected and the transaction is here of about 39.4 USDT, and here is the notification over here. So as you can see, this platform really works out. Give it a try, and withdrawals are really fast. Okay, don't have to wait for hours. It's actually within minutes for the transactions to appear. So, and as you can see, there's a tick over here there. The withdrawal has been successful. Okay, so in my mails, so in the wallet I will remain the 30 USDT. So what I'm going to do with the 30 USDT is I'm going to go and click on the auto trader and see how much money I'm going to make in 10 days, and that is when I'm going to withdraw. So I'll probably make another video. So if you can subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to see that video. So I'm going to click on trading again. Then I'm going to click on auto mode. So I need to choose an order book. So I'll go on with this one over here, and I'm going to choose this plan over here, which is going to give me 7% in 10 days. So the amount is already written 30, and this is the balance. Then I'm going to click on create order. So the order has been created successfully. This is good. Okay. And as you can see over here, there is the auto trading status is 9 more days and 23 hours remaining. And so far there's zero profit. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.